Good evening, students. In the last lecture, video lecture posted on Moodle, we have started with succession planning, and just to refresh your memory, we have done what is succession planning that I have explained, and there is seven-step planning for succession can be applied in any corporate. We are discussing that. So be proactive with the plan for succession planning. This was the first one. Then we had pinpoint succession candidates. You have to identify those prospective candidates who can man important positions. Now, mind you, succession planning generally talks about the leadership position or the top-notch position. However, it can be applied for any key position. It may be that in a department, a manager is holding a very important position, in the sense he is very capable. So, a succession planning for the same can be made. Similarly, a vice president, president, or CEO of the company, for him also succession planning can be done. That is to say, people, those who are important, people, they are managing important positions and doing important work. Now, if they, because of any reason, they are unable to render their service anymore, then organization cannot suffer. It has to have some options, good options available to fill up those vacant positions because of people leaving because of any XYZ reason. Maybe retirement, maybe death, maybe any other reason of leaving the organization. So succession planning is very important so that the smooth running of the organization is conducted on an everyday basis. So pinpoint succession candidate, this is one. Then we have done up till here, right? Now we were about to do the third point. Let them know. In a private meeting, explain to each protege. Protege का मतलब होता है anybody who follows the other. So, in a leadership position, what happens? People below that are following those leaders. So, those kind of people, those who know their leaders very well. So, in a private meeting, explain to each protege that they are being singled out for position of increasing importance. So, people, those who are second, third in command, and those who are protege, यानी कि those who are under the shadow of the leaders or important people, so they should be singled out for position of increasing importance. So उनको ये पता होना चाहिए कि कल अगर कोई पोजीशन खाली होती है तो वो काम दिया जा सकता है. तो like the wise, establish an understanding that there is no guarantees and the situation can change due to circumstances encountered either by the company or the succession candidate themselves. कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि क्या होगा. Nobody knows about the future. This we all know. There can be contingencies of the business. There can be contingencies in the life of the concerned leadership position person or any important person. So that's why it's saying establish an understanding. एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए प्रोटीज के साथ भी कि कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि कल आप उस पोजीशन पे चले ही जाओगे. बट वो क्या कहता है, इफ द सिचुएशन कैन चेंज ड्यू टू एनी सर्कमस्टांसेस in terms of the company, the situation from the point of view of a company or the succession candidate themselves. तो अगर कोई change in scenario होता है तो these are the people, those who can be promoted or they can be positioned on those people, those who are leaving the organization. They can succeed those kind of people. So ये बात एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए उन लोगों के दिमाग में कि कल तैयार रहो, होने को कुछ भी हो सकता है. अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो आपको वो पोजीशन संभालनी पड़ेगी. I hope this is understood. So let them know, let those people know, those who are able and those who are protege, those who are working under the shadow of leadership position or key people, that if time demands, अगर समय की मांग होती है तो उनको काम दिया जा सकता है. They can succeed their leaders. Step up professional development efforts. Now this is very important. Ideally you have already been investing in the professional development of those you select as your succession choice. ठीक है, प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट उन पे हम ऑलरेडी इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें पता है कि कल ये उस लायक है, लोग हैं जिनमें पोटेंशियल है. अगर उनको डेवलप किया जाए तो वो की पोजीशन संभालने के योग्य हैं और वो संभाल लेंगे. So they will be able to manage those kind of key positions. So this thing, keeping in mind, set up professional development efforts in a way, keeping in mind the future scenario. Now that preparation needs to be ramped up. Ramped up यानी speed up करना चाहिए. Job rotation is a good way to help your candidate gain additional knowledge and experience. देखिए, job rotation, get to know so many kind of working within the department, outside the department also, so that you become versatile वर्सेटाइल हरफन मौला जिसे बोलते हैं. यू गेट टू नो each and everything about the other working, how those are carried on within the organization, how the other departments are working. Gaining additional knowledge will always be helpful for a person who is being prepared to manage some key position in future. राइट उसके लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि वो तमाम खाली अपना स्पेशलिस्ट एरिया ही नहीं बल्कि और भी तमाम डिपार्टमेंट्स और जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की फंक्शनिंग है, ही गेट्स अ नो हाउ अबाउट दोज ऑल्सो. ये बहुत एसेंशियल है, तभी वो लीडरशिप पोजीशन को संभाल सकता है या इंपॉर्टेंट की पर्संस को पोजीशन को मैन कर सकता है. एंड कनेक्टिंग देम विद मेंटर्स कैन बूस्ट देयर एबिलिटी इन क्रिटिकल एरियाज ऑफ सॉफ्ट स्किल. सो मेंटर्स का मतलब वो है कि वो जो की पोजीशंस में है अगर उनकी छत्र छाया में रहेंगे, दे विल बी अंडर देयर मेंटरशिप, तो नेचुरली वो सॉफ्ट स्किल का मतलब हाउ टू रिलेट टू पीपल, शोइंग लीडरशिप, डिस्प्ले ऑफ लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज, हाउ टू रिलेट विद पीपल, हाउ टू गेट अलॉन्ग विद पीपल, हाउ टू गेट द वर्क डन थ्रू अदर पीपल, how to effectively motivate other people. So these are all soft skills which you learn by observing your own leaders or your own mentors. So these are observational developments. आप किसी के साथ बहुत लंबे समय तक काम करते हो तो आप बहुत चीजें सीख जाते हो, उसको बिहेवियर पैटर्न को, उसके सॉफ्ट स्किल को आप स्लोली इम्बाइब करते हो. अब वो तरीके सीखते हो कि हाउ टू हैंडल पीपल बेटर. So soft skills is all about that. The best leaders have a strong communication skill as well as polished interpersonal abilities such as empathy and diplomacy. Diplomacy यानी कि you already know that to be diplomatic in a situation कि हमें किसी को नाराज नहीं करना है but हमें अपना काम निकालना है. Empathy means that you have you understand the other point of view, you understand the pain the other person is feeling or the situation which the other person is going through, so that you are able to relate to and connect to with that person. ये लीडरशिप क्वालिटी का एक बहुत बड़ा एट्रीब्यूट होता है, टू एम्पैथाइज विद द अदर पर्सन. क्योंकि जब तक हम अपनी सोच से सोचेंगे हम नहीं समझ पाएंगे, बट अगर हम वी वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड द अदर पर्सन, वी हैव टू थिंक फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ द अदर पर्सन ऑल्सो. So this is very important. So these are certain skills which get imbibed if we are preparing people, developing people for certain key positions, then we have to keep all these things in mind. So soft skill is of course one of the very important ones to master, right? So this is it for today. Next we will continue in next lecture.